So it only takes one AI website to transform your boring brand presentations into something massive just like this. And it also takes the same AI website to upscale your pixelated images with just one click. And it also takes the same AI website to remove backgrounds with just one click. And if you're not good at backgrounds, it only suggests some cooler backgrounds for you. And that's just 20% of what this website can do for you. So I'm sure you want to know what this website is, where it is. So I won't gatekeep. I'm just going to show you the step-by-step how to achieve whatever that I just showed you. Okay, so you need to first of all get points. If you sign up through any link other than the one in the description below, you're going to get lower points and you might not complete this video. Okay, so sign up with the link in the description and you get 500 points to complete this video. Whatever that I just showed you, you can complete with that. Okay, so let's jump into this video. So welcome to Cool Graphics. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Pixelcut AI, also known as Pixa AI. Okay, so Pixa AI is just an all-in-one AI-driven platform that gives creators and businesses the chance to transform their brand identities and do much more with AI. Okay, it has all the AI models from Nano Banana, Clean AI, VO3, and a whole lot more. Okay, so in this video, we are going to achieve something great. So I'm just going to put you on 3 games. One, I'm going to show you their powerful AI removing background feature, okay, and replacing backgrounds, and also upscaling images. And then we land on the massive project transforming your brand identities or just your visual identities, turning them into something massive, just like what you saw in the intro. Okay, so stick with me and make sure you subscribe through the link in the description. Check the description. I have the link. If you subscribe through that, you're going to get 500 points and you can complete this video with that. Okay, so let's jump in. So you can use the link in the description or you can search for Pixelcut. Okay, it is also Pixa, so you can say Pixelcut AI. Okay, then hit enter, and probably the first on the search results. Okay, the first option on the search result, click that, pixa.com, and you have to sign up. Okay, so I've already signed up. So back to home now, let's get the game started. Okay, so we have create over here on the left side, we have create, upload. Okay, and over here too, we will create a video. Okay, just a short video, and at the end I might show you my AI ads that I made. Okay, good. So let's come to upload. Over there we can just remove the background, upscale, or do a whole lot. Okay, so let's come to upload and just locate the image. So I'm just going to locate an image down here, so I might give you you might have it in the description. Okay, so let's try I got this beautiful lady here with some cool appearance. Okay, open. So this is it. All right, and down here we can see remove background. Okay, so I can go ahead and click that. So the background is removed, like you can see the effect. Okay, so once the background is gone, you can go ahead and save this. So come to download and set this to PNG. Okay, because you don't want anything at the background, make sure you check transparency. This guy, make sure it is checked. You can give it a name up here. Okay, or just go ahead and download and your image will be downloaded. So we can preview that. Okay, so as you can see, a very neat cutout. Good. Now let's close this. On the right side you can see we have
background suggestion, so you can change the background of this. Okay, so at the right side we got some backgrounds over here. You can go through. Let me just choose this one, this guy over here. Okay, so we have a very nice background, so you can see this effect is so massive. Okay, you can go ahead and download this. Just come up here, and with this one we are using PNG, or we are picking PNG. Okay, so up here PNG, and you just set this one. Who set it to 90? Set it to 100 and download. So it is downloaded. You can have a preview, or you can view it. Now this is so beautiful. Okay, let me close that, and let's just, you can practice with about the backgrounds, but now let's move to upscaling images. So with this image, let's try and upscale, because you can see it is not that sharp. Okay, so let's try upscaling, and then after that you can go ahead and just remove the background. Okay, so let's come and click upscale, and times. So okay, so they are using Topaz Labs. Wow, that's crazy. And we have creative upscale. You can choose some models over here. So seed v r2, no, let's use Topaz, because we all know Topaz, right? Now let's come to times 6. Credits will be consumed based on the output resolution. 20 credits for this, no worries. Face enhancement, let's try this before we check the face enhancement to see. All right, so this is low resolution. Whoa, enhance model low resolution. No, we don't want. We want high fidelity for that. All right, and subject detection foreground, let's say all. All right, and let's upscale. Okay, so it is done. Now let's see. This is before, this is after, this is before, this after. Oh my god. So let's look at the hair. Okay, this is before and this is after. This is before. If you're following this step by step, you can see the changes it made. Okay, so I'm just going to download this, and I think it's going to be a JPEG. Okay, so you can download this before you try to cut the background. Okay, so it is downloaded, and then I'll come to done, and over here at the right side you can see you have revisions. Okay, so this is the upscaled, and this is the low resolution image. Okay, good. So with that, you can go ahead and just try removing the background of this whole image. Okay, now let's go and see the one that I said we will have to check the enhancement. Okay, so let's go back to the upscale, and let's pick times 6, high fidelity. Okay, and all detection, all, and face enhancement, creativity and strength. Let's maintain this. Okay, and upscale and see what we will get. So it is done. Let's check. All right, so we got this, and now we have this. This is so massive. Okay, so let's go to done, and this is the new upscale. Okay, so the difference is massive. Okay, so now let's go and remove the background. So the background is removed, and if, let's say, for beginners, you might be having a difficult, or you might be having difficulties in removing hair, okay, background, when they have hair like this. You can see the awesome job this thing did. All right, so let's download it as PNG, and we are good to go. All right, so now let's head straight back to home. All right, so now let's try the video generation. Okay, so click on create, and then you will have your previous things over here. Okay, all the things you've done. Good. So make sure you set this one to video. Okay, so video, and we are going to use Klein version 2.6 Pro. Okay, that's what we got here. All right, and you can use the Klein version 3.0 Pro. You can use the Sora, you can use the VO. All right, so we are going for Klein or Kling AI. Okay, all right, so you are going to use that, and let's pick a start frame. Okay, so let's say we're going to start a frame, and I'm going to upload, let's say I have this brand identity, I have those two t-shirts over here. I'm going to open that, and I had ChatGPT generate a script for me. Okay, I uploaded this image, and it was doing some long talk over here, but I said one paragraph, okay, of a video shoot or scene for an ad. Okay, so I will just copy that and then come back to and just paste it here. All right, so you can generate a speech. So if you want to generate a speech, you can click on this and then you paste the script. Okay, it will do that for you so that it will be behind that. But generally I don't have a speech or a script for that, so I'm just going to go straight and generate this. So it is done. Now it gave us 4, okay, because over here we chose 4 variations of 4 results. Okay, so if you have more credits, you can generate 8. All right, good. So now let's check the first one. Does it, right? Okay, so let's, oh, does it? Whoa, oh, it did its AI thing there. All right, now let's check this one. Okay, wow, oh my god. And this one too, let's see this one. Whoa, so one thing is that, so the best thing is that you can download all these 4, all right, and then use transitions to, you just over here you transcend into this and then you go to this. Then I'm downloading all these images. Okay, so let's click here. You can see this, you know, there is no sound. Okay, you are just going to download the videos, so you will see download over here. You can just click to download and download and download. So I'm back in ChatGPT and I'm saying I've uploaded the logo, okay, the submark of this, or let's say the favicon of this, and I'm saying 1 paragraph prompt for a crazy logo animation for this. Now let's see. So it is complete. I'll just copy this, okay, and then come back and let's create another one. So start frame, I will just upload an image. So I'm just going to pick this, all right, the same logo, okay, and I'm just going to paste the prompt from ChatGPT, and for the variations I can pick 4, okay, so you can pick 8 or something. I'm using Klein V3 or Clink. Right, so it is complete. Now let's look at the first logo animation. Wow, and let's look at the next one. Okay, this is the third one. Animate, bro. Okay, good. All right, so one thing I've realized is that, you see, with this one I just used the square image. Okay, that's why it came out being square, but you can choose whether you want landscape 16:9. Okay, but with that one you have to put your logo on that document size so that you get the size, actual size that you want. Okay, but as for this is crazy. So I've generated a couple of assets. Okay, so these are the tumblers, okay, some cool animations, and these are caps, okay, and I got business cards over here, and I got wristbands, okay, and this. So I'm just going to compile this up into the video that you saw earlier in the intro. All right, So it is very simple. You just upload the image to ChatGPT to generate an animation or an ad for you, okay, a script, and then you copy it, you upload the same image here, and then you paste it, and you will have some smooth animations for you. Okay, so back to the home page, we can explore, and we have AI ads for you. Okay, so you can pick a character and you just paste the script. Okay, I won't do that in this video, probably next video. So you can see it is added. You just have to paste in your script. Okay, good. And let's come back to the home page, and down here we have clothes. Okay, for mockups. Okay, you can come in and just be pasting some mockups in here. So you can click this, you can upload an image, and it will just paste this on top for you. Okay, so you can explore this later since you now have the basic understanding of this. All right,